Welcome to Lichtsinn RV. We're only 1 mile from the Winnebago Factory based in Forest City, Iowa, but this week we are in Elkhart, Indiana at the RV Industry Open House where Winnebago has unveiled the new Winnebago Sunflyer, a Class C touring coach, contemporary styling with lengths ranging from 24 to 30 feet.
All Winnebago Sunflyer floor plans are centered around Winnebago's core quality with modern design and styling at a more affordable price point. Offered in 4 versatile floor plans, the Sunflyer combines core, long-lasting quality, comfort, and functionality at a price point new RV buyers will instantly appreciate. All include best-in-class new kitchen amenities such as a combination convection microwave air fryer and compressor-driven refrigerators. The 28 MB floor plan also offers a coffee bar with the ability to add a beverage refrigerator below. All Sunflyers also include user-friendly amenities such as a centralized touchscreen panel for climate control, tank and electrical monitoring, and generator control with an automatic transfer switch built into the 30-amp electrical service, eliminating the need to store a shoreline cord and plug back into a generator box. And most importantly, all have automatic generator start centered around maintaining climate control for pet monitoring along with voltage reading. A load shed system automatically manages electrical loads to prevent breakers tripping while maintaining load stability. Optional solar provides for off-grid travel for eco-friendly energy options and reduced dependency on generator and power sources. All are available in fresh, contemporary interior styling and finishes that create a calm, cohesive experience with a premium feel with 2 different interior selections. Exteriors include the fresh, modern styling with Escape Deluxe enhancement graphics, but for even more premium styling, select premium full-body automotive paint. The 22RS floor plan offers a walk-around queen bed in the rear slide-out, versatile dinette and overhead sleeping for a total of 6, while maintaining abundant storage inside and out, along with 58 gallons of freshwater capacity. The SE and LX trim packages also include synthetic leather front seats, solar panels, dual-pane thermal insulated windows, and electronic stabilizer jacks. The 24GG is a proven rear twin bed floor plan that allows for incredible walkways through the twin bed flex bed setup, as the coach is a wide body at 8 feet. Opposite a spacious inline kitchen, it includes a versatile L-shaped dinette and also sleeps 6 with the overhead sleeping surface. Great storage inside and out with a full-length rear gear garage for storage of bicycles, cargo, and gear, and also 58 gallons of total freshwater capacity. The LE package includes an additional TV in the bedroom, synthetic leather front seats, solar panels, dual-pane thermal insulated windows, and electronic stabilizer jacks. The 26FE floor plan is a spacious double slide-out with a walk-around queen bed and a luxurious home theater seating area up front opposite the versatile L-shaped dinette. Patio side coverage is provided with an expansive 17-foot awning, and greater storage awaits both interior and exterior while maintaining 50 gallons of total freshwater capacity. The LX package also includes an additional TV in the bedroom, synthetic leather front seats, solar panels, dual-pane thermal insulated windows, and computerized automatic hydraulic leveling jacks. For warmer climates, the LX package in the 26FE also includes a new option for a second high-efficiency rooftop air conditioner. The 28MB is an all-new industry-exclusive floor plan that provides versatile livability with a powered Murphy king bed, incredible bedroom wardrobe storage, a spacious front dinette, while in between is an industry-first coffee bar with storage above and below, including the storage and power for a luxurious beverage refrigerator. Incredible storage inside and out, the 28MB also includes 47 gallons of total fresh water. The LX package includes an additional TV in the bedroom, synthetic leather front seats, solar panels, dual-pane thermal-insulated windows, and computerized automatic hydraulic leveling jacks. For warmer climates, the LX package in the 28MB also includes a new option for a second high-efficiency rooftop air conditioner. All Winnebago Sunflyers are built with over 60 years of superstructure build quality that includes durable interlocking roof, sidewall, and floor joints that are self-supporting, not relying on screws alone or relying on inner floor plan walls and cabinetry for strength like competing manufacturers. In fact, Winnebago motorhomes are built as self-supporting shells early in production. Using computer-aided design, precision laser cutters create precise joints to interlock in structural steel that are strong and require less welding. Cabinetry and appliances are mounted into metal, not wood like competing manufacturers, using lasers to weld attachment points into the metal in the sidewall. Winnebago Sunflyers also include Azdel composite panels for sidewalls, compared to competing manufacturers still using Luan plywood. Azdel composite sidewalls are not affected by freezing and warming cycles, will not mold or grow mildew, and will not rot and delaminate, showing bubbles. They are half the weight of Luan, leading to better occupant and cargo carrying capacity and improved fuel efficiency, providing twice the insulation value and sound barrier, and are built without formaldehyde, toxic materials, or deforestation, providing a longer RV life expectancy. Winnebago has led the industry for over 30 years, and it does not stop with the Winnebago Sunflyer, in which a voluntary e-coat process is used to provide rust protection, recently undergoing a $7 million infrastructure factory upgrade. All steel used by Winnebago is either galvanized or e-coated and plated using a multi-state full immersion electrocoating system, in which the metal is positively charged and submerged in a 10-stage chemical process to bond the e-coat to provide a uniform level of plating over every component. It's the same process used by many light-duty auto manufacturers such as Honda and General Motors to provide the best voluntary rust protection in the RV industry, compared to competing manufacturers that use rust-proof paint or powder coating that won't hold up long-term. The Winnebago Sunflyer includes a quality one-piece seamless Rotocast tank system manufactured in-house here in Forest City, Iowa, in which each tank is built with a polyethylene powder, heated and rotated to coat the mold, and as it cools, coats the mold and forms the shape. Once cooled, each tank is pressure tested to ensure each seamless tank does not leak. All connecting hoses are then spun weld and fused to become an integral part to the tank. As opposed to competing manufacturers that continue to purchase their tanks from third-party suppliers or have to fit them into a floor plan, wasting space and continuing to use silicone sealant or plumber hose clamps. Each tank is sized using computer-aided design to allow Winnebago to build the tanks around the floor plan, many looking like Tetris pieces, to maximize freshwater and holding tank capacities and wasting zero space. Built to legendary superstructure construction and standards of over 60 years of manufacturing at Winnebago here in Forest City, Iowa, these coaches offer paralleled. Built to legendary superstructure standards of over 60 years of manufacturing here in Forest City, Iowa by Winnebago, these coaches offer unparalleled quality and comforts. Be sure to check out the all-new Winnebago Sunflyer at Lichtsinn RV for a fresh alternative to traditional Class C RVing.